flashlights, food, water, blankets. Everything is ready.
Excellent job, Kathy. Being prepared keeps everyone safe.
Where's my flashlight? Oh, no. Next time, let's pack together.
Working together makes every job easier.
First, let's build our campsite.
I'll help with this side. You guys build it. I want to explore.
Responsibilities first, Mia.
Camping is supposed to be fun.
Great teamwork. The tent is ready.
You already finished?
It was easier because everyone helped.
Fun is better after responsibilities are finished. Sorry. I should have helped first.
We should keep the food secured.
Good thinking. Food can attract wildlife.
Mia, don't leave food open.
I'll put it away later.
I forgot. Animals.
Keeping food stored protects people and wildlife.
Keeping the cooler closed keeps food fresh.
Mia, the cooler.
Oops, I'll be more careful. Let's check the map before we leave.
Good thinking. Never guess when we're unsure.
Why do we need a map? Let's just go. The safest path is the marked trail. Mia, stay on the trail.
The trail protects both us and the habitat.
Can we slow down?
Come on, I'm not waiting all day. Please slow down.
Leaving someone behind is not teamwork.
Real strength is knowing when to help someone.
Okay. I'll stay with everyone.
It's beautiful here.
Nature stays beautiful when people take care of it.
It's just one bottle. Someone else will pick it up. The trail isn't a trash can.
One piece of litter can spoil a beautiful place.
Nature belongs to everyone.
Let's protect it.
I'm sorry. I'll keep the campground clean.
Great job. You're taking care of the place we're enjoying.
Look! I'm gonna catch it!
Getting close to wildlife can put everyone at risk.
I only wanted to see it closer. Let's stay quiet and give it space. I shouldn't have chased it. What's inside? I just want to touch it.
Don't touch the nest.
Leave the birds alone.
Wildlife should be observed, not disturbed.
Let's walk around it. The birds need their space.
Let's take the picture from here.
The view is perfect.
My picture will look amazing over there.
Mia, get back!
You're damaging the plants.
The perfect photo is never worth harming nature.
I didn't think about that.
We can keep the memory without hurting nature.
Wow! Look at all this stuff!
That's their campsite. We should respect their space.
Everyone deserves privacy while camping.
My flashlight was right here. Where did it go?
Mia, do you have something to return?
I only wanted it for a while.
Taking something that isn't yours is still wrong.
Sorry, Kathy.
You could have asked me.
Next time I will. I want to take care of something that will grow for years. Everything is ready. Let's enjoy the campfire safely.
Great job putting safety first.
Look how high I can make the flames!
Mia, step back. The fire isn't a toy.
It can become dangerous very quickly. Let's keep the fire inside the fire ring.
Exactly. Keeping the fire contained keeps everyone safer.
Okay, I won't play with it.
Dinner is done, so I'll clean here.
That's responsible. Then we can relax.
A clean campsite keeps everyone comfortable.
Fine, I'll help finish the dishes.
Teamwork makes camping easier.
We should keep this closed. I forgot again. Here, you can have half of mine. Really? Thanks. That's awesome.
Sharing a little can mean a lot.
These are mine. Nobody needs to know. But I thought we were sharing.
Being selfish can ruin the fun for everyone.
Let's keep our voices low. People are sleeping.
That's very considerate.
Who cares? I'm having fun.
Everyone else is trying to sleep.
Having fun doesn't mean disturbing everyone around you.
Okay. I'll be quieter.
Everything is secured. We can sleep safely now.
Great check. You didn't miss anything.
I'll put it away later.
Don't leave camping supplies open or unattended.
I don't need anyone. I'll explain by myself. Hello? Hello? Mom?
You must never go off alone like that.
Exploring alone at night can create serious danger.
I should have stayed with everyone.
Always tell us before going anywhere.
I'm sorry. I'll stay with the family.
Hold my hand. We'll cross together.
Thanks.